Hi, I'm April with WTI. When looking to show that special someone just how much they mean to you, you really should consider the Moissanite engagement rings from Certified Moissanite Diamonds, CMD, authentic and exquisite jewelry. I like that they are a small, woman-owned, family-run business, and I can tell that they put a lot of thought and effort when designing my jewelry piece, and I love knowing that each design is unique and handmade. This is the 3-carat round cut moissanite ring with a hidden halo and paved side stones that radiate down the 1.8 millimeter semi-eternity band. I appreciate the fact that it comes with a certificate of authenticity and an authenticity card. I also really enjoy the complimentary gifts that are designed and made by the company and are included with the purchase. These gifts make it so much more than just a ring purchase. This is added care and love. That would include 2 sizes silicone adjusting coils. The thin one decreases the size of the ring by 0.25 and the thicker one by 0.5 of a size. This is useful for people that have large knuckles or arthritis, maybe water retention, or if your fingers just change during seasonal times. There's also a no-rinse jewelry cleaner and a premium microfiber polishing cloth so that you can do at-home cleanings anytime you want. A highly concentrated fragrance perfume oil that smells absolutely heavenly. Last but definitely not least, there's a travel jewelry holder keychain case that I can attach to my purse or bag and safely store my jewelry. I am simply in awe, and I'm sure that your loved one will be too. And that's my point of view.